In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a USB drive that is not showing up, whether it's not recognized, missing from File Explorer, or even not appearing in Device Manager or Disk Management. Sometimes, when you plug in your USB drive or external hard drive, you might hear the connection sound, but the device doesn't show up anywhere. So, what's causing this issue, and how can you fix it? I'll walk you through a few effective solutions that I've personally tested on my own PC. These methods will help you get your USB device detected and working again. So, let's jump right into it. The first solution I highly recommend is updating your Windows. About a week ago, I tried multiple fixes, but nothing worked until I finally updated my Windows, and that solved the problem instantly. To update your Windows, click on the search box and type Windows Update. From the suggestions, select Check for Updates. This will open the Windows Update settings. Click on Check for Updates, and if any updates are available, Windows will automatically download and install them. Wait for the process to complete, and once your system is updated, check if your USB device is now recognized. If the issue persists, move on to the next step. Click on the search box, type Services, and click on Services, or press Enter key. This will open the Windows Services Manager. Here, you need to restart a few key services to ensure your USB device functions properly. Find Plug and Play in the list, double-click on it, and check the service status. If it's not running, click Start. If it's already running, then set the startup type to automatic. Click Stop, and then click Start again. Hit OK to save the changes. Next, scroll down and locate Cryptographic Services. Double-click it, ensure the service status is set to running, and the startup type is automatic. If it's not running, click Start, or if it's already running, stop the service and restart it. And then OK. After restarting these services, close the window and move on to the next step. Open the search box, type Control Panel, and select it from the results. In the control panel, look for hardware and sound. If you don't see this option, change the view by setting at the top to category. Next, click on Add a device. A new window will open. Click on the Add device button, then select everything else. Windows will now start scanning for connected hardware. Make sure your USB drive or external device is plugged in during this process. Once the scan is complete, check if your USB device appears in the list. If it does, select it and click Next to install the necessary drivers. Many users have successfully fixed their USB issues using this method, so it's definitely worth trying. If your device still isn't detected, don't worry. There are more solutions ahead. If this method doesn't work for you, try running the hardware troubleshooter using PowerShell. Open the search box, type PowerShell, and open the Windows PowerShell. Once the PowerShell window appears, enter the following command, which you can also find in the description. Press Enter, and the troubleshooting window will open with the message, Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on Advanced, ensure Apply Repairs Automatically is checked, then click Next. Windows will now scan for hardware-related issues. During the process, you will see two options. First option is Enable. Automatically check for the newest drivers via Windows Update when a new device is installed. Second option is Leave Disabled. Manually check for the latest drivers yourself. If your USB issue persists, you may receive recommendations or automatic fixes from the troubleshooter. In my case, the problem was already resolved, so I didn't receive any recommendations, but you might see fixes that Windows suggests. Apply the recommended settings, let the troubleshooter complete its process, and then close the window. Next, right-click on the Windows icon and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controllers and double-click on it. Look for your USB device in the list. If you see any device marked with a blue icon or a yellow exclamation mark that indicates an issue, right-click on the problematic device and select Uninstall Device. If your USB device isn't listed, try unplugging it and then plugging it back in. When reconnected, the device should appear with a yellow exclamation mark, signaling a driver issue. Additionally, check under System Devices to see if the USB device appears there. Once located, right-click and choose Uninstall Device. After uninstalling, go to the top menu, click on Action, and select Scan for hardware changes. This will prompt Windows to detect and reinstall the USB driver automatically. Try this method and check if your USB drive is now recognized. If you're still facing issues, right-click on the Windows icon and select Disk Management. Once inside Disk Management, look for your USB device. If it appears but doesn't have a drive letter assigned, this could be the reason it's not showing up in File Explorer. To fix this, right-click on the USB drive and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Then click Add, assign a new drive letter, and confirm. After assigning a drive letter, your USB drive should now be accessible and the issue should be resolved. If you've tried all the solutions and your USB drive is still not showing up, then click on the search icon, type File Explorer, and open it. Navigate to this PC, then C drive, then Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder, locate and open the INF folder. Once inside the INF folder, search for wpdmtp.inf. When you find it, right-click on the file and select Install. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. For many users, this method successfully resolves the USB device issue. Give it a try and see if it works for you. This method works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this solution helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're still facing issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Take care and see you in the next one.